Hey guys! The name's Millenz and we're doing another painting series and we are painting sunset. Let's get started!
It's more than anything that meets the eye. I found something that money can't buy, stashed away inside of my chest. Keeps me happy and blessed. People wonder and they ask me why I'm smiling like this, and I say I found joy. I found joy, 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 joy. Goodbye to the old world and to the life I won't miss, because now I found joy. Made a difference to the way I roll. Switched the pace of the life I know. Is a piece of heaven that resides in me. Oh, gonna be like this for eternity. People wonder and they ask me why you smiling like this, and the reason I smile, I found joy. Whoa, goodbye to, I said goodbye to your world and to the life I won't time ago. Now I found joy. I found joy. I found it in Jesus. No one can take my joy from me. No, you can't take my joy from me. No, I found it in Jesus. Oh, no one can take my joy from me. From me. Oh, they wonder and they ask me why I'm smiling like this, and I say I found joy.